Tired of losing deals because documents get stuck outside Pipedrive? You send a proposal, then chase the client for a signature through endless emails. Meanwhile, the deal goes cold. It doesn't have to be this way. In about 2 minutes, you can connect DocuSign directly to Pipedrive and start sending, signing, and managing documents without ever leaving your CRM. Let me show you exactly how that works. So here's the plan. We're going to walk through installing the DocuSign app from Pipedrive's Marketplace, authorizing the connection, and then making sure everything is talking to each other. It's straightforward, I promise. All right, let's get started. I'm going to assume you've got Pipedrive open already. You should be looking at your main dashboard right now. Over on the left-hand side of the screen, find that little menu icon that looks like 3 dots stacked vertically. It's usually tucked away near the bottom of the sidebar. Go ahead and click that. From that menu, you'll see an option that says Marketplace. Click on that. Now, the Marketplace page might take a moment to load. Just give it a few seconds. In my experience, it's usually pretty quick, but don't worry if it hangs for a moment. Once the page loads, locate the search bar at the very top. Click inside it and type the word DocuSign. Hit Enter or just wait for the results to populate. The results should appear almost instantly. You'll see the official DocuSign e-signature app listed there. Click on it. Now, before we dive into the authorization, take a moment to scroll through the integration details. This screen will tell you exactly what DocuSign can do once it's connected. It will show you the supported features, like sending envelopes from deals, tracking signature status, and attaching documents. I always recommend reading this part quickly, just so you know what you're about to unlock. There are no surprises here. When you're ready, click the blue Authorize button. A new tab or a pop-up window will open, and that's the DocuSign sign-in page. It might take a second or two to appear. If you have a pop-up blocker, you might need to allow it, but most of the time, it works without a hitch. Go ahead and sign into your DocuSign account using your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll need to complete that step as well. Once you're signed in, DocuSign will show you a list of permissions it's requesting. It wants access to your account so it can send documents on your behalf, manage envelopes, and sync status back to Pipedrive. These are standard permissions for an integration like this. Go ahead and click Allow or Authorize to grant that access. Now, here's the part where the magic happens. The connection will process for a few seconds. You might see a brief loading spinner. That's normal. If you're prompted to configure any integration settings, this is where you set your defaults. For example, you might want to choose a default signing language or set a preferred email subject line for your signature requests. You can also usually pick which document fields you want to sync back to Pipedrive. But if you just want to get it running, the defaults are perfectly fine. Now click Save to apply those settings. Let's verify this actually worked. Head back to your Pipedrive settings. Look for the section labeled Installed Apps or App Marketplace. You should now see DocuSign listed there as an installed app. If it shows up, you're good to go. And that's it. DocuSign is now successfully connected to your Pipedrive CRM. You can send, sign, and manage electronic documents directly from your deals. No more juggling separate apps, no more manual document handling. Your sales workflow just got a whole lot smoother. Give it a try with your next proposal. You'll wonder why you didn't do this sooner.